You though, right? No, you don't need a leash. I need a leash.
No, you don't need a leash.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Twice as big as my dog. I know they are. I know. Well, I mean, they definitely have been trying to help me at all. I know. It was weird. The other day, I thought somebody literally got in their car with their dog and let the dog off the leash to come talk to me. It was so weird. Yeah, have a good day, man.
Hold on before you go. I'm gonna tell you a secret.
Oh, what is it?
That tennis court over there.
Yeah, that tennis court needs to be converted to a playground. That tennis court needs to be converted to a basketball place because guess who plays tennis?
Exactly. Yo, the combo is
And then what they could do is, see that grass next to the grill?
Yep.
That little bit that stretches like this?
Yep.
See this?
Uh-huh.
That's about the size of every truck stop area for a dog.
exactly.
But this is not a dog-friendly or family-friendly neighborhood.
Exactly.
They want this place to be a 50 and up community.
Exactly.
And
You
it's
do
not.
Up there too. Put a fence right up there.
Yeah, I mean, wherever they're gonna put it, but they got plenty of land. A fence is $500. They basically raise my HOA fees that much.
Exactly.
Take my fees and fucking do it.
Exactly.
Get me the materials and I'll build the fucking fence.
Exactly.
They don't even gotta have their full-time employees who drink till midnight and then come to work at 8 in the morning do it.
Yep.
I'll do it alone.
Yep.
By myself with a shovel.
Exactly.
Don't even get me an auger.
Exactly.
Have a good day, sir.